Don't create a form in Word. Use Excel instead. First, add a border on the bottom of the cell to create a border line. Now merge and center the header and bold in color. Hide everything to the right and click the grid lines and change the alignment to the right. Now if you want to type the name, here everything looks great. But the last step is to change the format of the phone number. Go to the custom, type in the phone number, format, click OK. And if you type the phone number here, it will be changed automatically to the correct format and you are done.